Here is how you can make money online by just taking surveys. In a layman's language, just answering questions online. Okay, surveys are one of the best ways to make money online for students, for anybody. If you're a civil servant, if you're a student, if you are whatever you're doing, you can do it at the comfort of your home, office, school, wherever and anytime. Okay, so I told you guys before that creating content is not the only way to make money online. Okay, there are vast ways to make money online without showing your face to the camera. There are many ways to make money online without having to create content on Facebook, TikTok, or all these social medias. Okay, there are money online. Okay, so survey, what is survey? Survey is more like a questionnaire. Okay, you partake in questionnaires, in researches, and in return you get compensated for your time. Okay, thank you for taking your time to answer this question. So how does survey work? Survey is more like a company will come to the surveying company, a brand, and say, okay, we have this product that we want to market, or we have this our product that we want to know how people are using it or what people thinks about it. And the only way they can get those feedback is to ask people who use the product in real time. Okay, or even those that don't use the product. Okay, and as long as you can partake and answer the questions that the company needs. Okay, what they need is the feedback. So they are going to pay these surveying companies. Now these surveying companies are going to now issue those surveys, those questionnaires to their participants, you and I that are into online surveys. Okay, so when you sign up, when there's a survey or a questionnaire available, you'll be notified via email or however. Then you will come and fill the surveys, answer the questions. Okay, and at the end you'll be compensated. Okay, survey is one of the ways to make money online, even though it's a part-time way of making money online, because it's not a regular job. Okay, it comes and goes, and some people make $10, $20, $50, $100, $200, $900, $1,000, depending on how consistent you are. So it is a very legitimate way to make money online. You can make money online with your phone. You don't even need a PC, a laptop. Your phone is good enough for you to take those surveys. Okay, so now all you need to do is to sign up on the surveying company, on the surveyor's website. Then whenever there's a survey available, you'll be notified and you will fill and partake on these surveys. Okay, and on this video I'm going to provide links to most of the surveying websites, okay, where you can sign up for Nigerians. Okay, so today I'm going to there are two categories of surveys. There are international surveys and local surveys. Okay, international surveys are the ones that are made for US, UK, Germany, all these Western countries, and they pay more. Okay, but you can actually partake on those surveys if you're in Nigeria, but there are ways around it. You might need to use a VPN and other tricks to get into it, because the survey is not made for you. Okay, but however, there are other surveys that are made for Nigerians. Okay, these surveys pays through gift card, they pay through bank transfer, airtime recharge, and whatever incentive that they have. Okay, but the main things are going to pay you for your time and your effort, your contribution. So on this video I'm going to provide the links to paying surveys for Nigerians, Africans. Okay, that you can partake. It can take just few minutes of your time, okay, or few hours of your time every day to partake on these surveys. And at the end of the month, or when you reach a threshold, there's a threshold. Some surveys have a threshold of maybe 10,000, 20,000, $10, $50, €10, depending on the country. Okay, so for African countries, let's use the 10,000 or 1,000 or 20,000 benchmark. Okay, so when you reach that threshold, they will send the money into your bank account, or I can pay you using gift card. Some do pay using Jumia gift card, Shoprite gift card, Amazon gift card, all these gift card, and you can use those gift card in real time to shop on those platforms. Some pay directly to your bank account. Okay, so survey is one of the best way to make money online, part-time. Okay, you can be working in the office and using your phone to answer some questionnaires, and most times Some of the questions don't even take more than 2, 3, 5 minutes, and you're done with it. Then you wait for another. So I'm going to provide the link on the description, on the comment section of this video, so that you can sign up to those different surveying sites and start making money online. Okay, this is one of the legit way to make money online, and it's a good way to start. Okay, it's a good way to start, and if you have data and you have your smartphone, you are good to go. So please share this video so that others can actually benefit from this information. Okay, this is a vital information. This is a good one. You can actually be making money without going out of your home or office or wherever it is. It's a very lucrative way to make money online. So please share this video and comment, because I'm going to make another video on how to take surveys, foreign surveys, because this video is for surveys that are made for Nigerians, Africans, and it's a straightforward thing. Just sign up and you are good to go. But if you want to earn more, you need to then partake on foreign surveys. Okay, those ones that are made for the US, UK, Canada, Germany, all these foreign countries, they pay more, and they pay in dollars, euro, all these currencies they pay. So you can't compare a survey that pays in naira and the one that pays in dollar. Okay, so that is it. So please that will be all for now. See you on the next one. Okay, thank you.